Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the new HTTP query method. So HTTP released a new method named as query. So let's discuss about this new method and how it works. So why we need that one? Get requests become messy with large filters. URL have length limitations. Developers misuse post for searching. Post does not clearly indicate a read-only operation. Query resolves this by allowing a request body while remaining the safe. So this is the get request that we already do. Now this is the query method, right? So query, and this is our request body. So the brand search, price filters, min, max, rating, and the sort. Okay. So get versus post versus query. So request body, get no, post yes, query yes. Safe get, post no, query safe. Idempotent, true, wrong, and this is right. Cacheable, both, but not post. Complex search is like this. Okay, so in the query, complex search is also there, right? So what we can think introduced in the RFC 1008 supports JSON frequent bodies, semantic correct for the read-only queries, idle for the advanced searching and the filtering. Now you can use that one. Okay, maintains the HTTP safety and dependency framework support will grow over the time. So I hope you understand what exactly the new query method is, and this is a new update from the HTTP. So hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.